So what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video gang. And in today's video, I will be giving y'all boys AK-47 POV, man. This has never been done on YouTube ever in life, so y'all know your boy Davo got to bring it to y'all boys, man. I do got that carbon fiber SPE Motorsports intake. Get y'all a clean little look of the car. This car is brand new, by the way. If you don't know, I just got this car this month, so this is gonna be a whole lot of different content. Like, really, bro, I'm just the type of person that try to bring different crazy content that just make people want to click on the video. And we are in Gary right now. Let me show y'all so y'all can know. We are in the middle of the trenches, man, Gary. So this is legal, man. Don't be out here doing no crazy, stupid shit that's illegal, shorty. That's all that I'm gonna say. 2, 3. But enough said. Let's get this shit going, man. Make sure that this joint, change the mode, put this mug in track. Now let's do it. Hey y'all, let y'all listen to the wine. I'ma carry this big motherfucker. I did not think this out, man. I did not think this out at all. Like, it's easier with the damn Drake. This motherfucker way too crazy. Hell no. I ain't gonna lie, fuck. Hey, if you watching this, I do not recommend this, shorty. I do not recommend this. Be out here carrying that motherfucker in y'all lap. I don't know what I was thinking, shorty. Y'all hear that motherfucker? Oh my God. That motherfucker sound dangerous. We got some barbecue going on. Might go over there and hoop one day. So goof ass pop. But nah though, hey, if cause I know that a lot of y'all that be tuning in to me is from Gary. Let me know where I am right now at this moment. Like, is this like considered like the west side, east side? Y'all know cities got their own little areas, of course. They got watermelons. Downshift. God, y'all be telling me, man, you shouldn't be downshifting it like that. I got a warranty for a reason, man. I have a warranty for a reason, shorty. Nah, though. If y'all don't know, this joint came wood, bro. It had a full wood stock that wasn't foldable, just like this one. I ended up buying this joint. I bought the freaking mag. And then I bought this, and this came in a kit. So I can't remember what the name of the kit is. I can't really remember, but it might be on here somewhere. I don't remember, but I bought this damn near, bro, in freaking 2020 or some shit like that. I can't even remember. Come on, folks. This motherfucker's been red for damn near 2 minutes. It feels like. Nah, I think that the time damn near feel longer because I got a Drake in my, because I got a damn AK in my motherfucking passenger seat. Nah, though, man. Hey, I tried it for y'all, man. It ain't work how I thought it was gonna motherfucking work. That motherfucker way too big. I've been over here before. I sold some shoes over here a minute ago, like a long minute ago. God. Come on, man. We go bust this right. This look pretty treacherous enough. Look at these roads. These motherfuckers ain't been touching 40 years. Oh! No, I'm finna total my shit over here, boy. They got a motherfucking pit bull over here, man. Ooh, Mustang. I found my Mustang, brother. This motherfucker get up so damn quick, boy. God. This motherfucker get up real quick. Nah, hey, hold on. Let me try to turn off this traction. Advanced traction off. Getting loose. This joint getting loose, huh? This joint getting loose, huh? He overly looking hard. These roads bumpy. Bro, I done sold shoes over here in these buildings too. Damn. Y'all just seen that? Ooh, I hope that I just caught that on camera. Boy, that Jeep window busted out the back of that joint. That's definitely 100% a stolen cop, folks. We finna flip this bit. We finna do a motherfucking U-turn. I'm doing these weird ass maneuvers like this is my motherfucking city, man. Somebody go do something about lit ass out here. Keep on flipping the block. Look, I'm finna show y'all though. Look. Damn. Hey, motherfucking window bust. Ooh, and I just seen cameras too. Oh shit, those motherfucking. Yeah, we gotta get up out of here. I know the sheriff's low-key be up the street too. Sitting right off the damn E-way. Damn, boy, they got cameras literally everywhere over here. There must be some crazy crime going on over here or something. Gotta be some crazy crime over there. Ain't it? Ooh. God, I can't dodge everything, man. Thought I could, but sometimes you can't. ass out the street, boy. Ooh, this motherfucker do some damn damage. I know folks like, what the fuck is he got going on? He on that lawnmower like, man, this nigga up to no good. Been clean. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Man, that crib look decent. Another thing is about over here, bro, they be building some decent ass cribs, bro. It's just the area. Like, who wanna be in a decent ass crib in this environment, really? It's like, man, you want your kids to grow up over here? If you don't want better for your kids, like, of course, your ass dang grew up in the motherfucking trenches, but I just feel like, too, if you don't want better for your kids, man, if you don't want your kids in that motherfucking $10 million mansion, like, man, your ass out here playing around, bro. For sure. See, now you could tell that they slightly care about this motherfucking road. The damn mayor down there live on this road. That bitch look crazy. That bitch look crazy from the back. I wonder how it look from the front. Road closed. Local traffic only. I don't even know where we going, but let me roll up my motherfucking window. Motherfucking windows. Make sure this bitch don't fucking leave. Oh, what the fuck? It ain't even nothing over here, man. It look decent over here, though. Boy, I do a damn commute over here. Won't nobody even know. Nobody even know it. But yeah, though, y'all, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all boys for tuning in to the POV. I'm gonna do a crazy tour, though, leaving from here. But I definitely appreciate y'all boys tuning in to the POV. I don't know if I got some tires. I got a little bit of tire, but definitely appreciate y'all boys, man. More to come, shorty. Just let me know. I was thinking about buying, because I was going to do a POV with my shotgun, but I'm like, man, I might as well just do a quick little ride around with the AK just to get the clicks, you know? But I'm finna do a little light pull right here. You ready? It's straight rocks over here, though. Make sure my traction on. That dual trans, some different. Like, I feel like the shifts in this joint is so freaking crisp. But it's me, your boy Davo. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in another video, gang.